So next, number last, this is database. Using a suitable database application, open the file consultants.mdb and save it as your name and personal number. So in our support files, we have this file. Open, click file, save database as. So save database as, put it in your working folder on the desktop, Agava Peter, give it your names and personal number. So this is Agava Peter 507. So from here I save changes, enable content, and I start working now that the file is saved in my folder. So this is a table. They are telling us apply appropriate data types to the table. So this data, you can look at it, go to view, design view, change. For example, age, you can put it to number, save changes, yes. Next, they are telling us add the following data to the table, staff record. So let's put these records quickly. So here, I go to view, design view. Let's add those headings. We have residence. This one can be text. We also have number of children. Number of children. This is number. Then we have gross pay. This one we can be number. Lastly, we have payee. This one can also be number. So we save changes, click view, datasheet view. So when you look at this data, we can enter the first person Muyenga, number of children 3950. So we can add here, this is Muyenga, number of children 3, amount 950. Then the next person is in Nakulaye and has one child. Amount is 560,000. Next person resides in Nansana and has 5 children. Amount is 650,000. This other person is 450,000 and has 4 children, stays in Gawa. Next person stays in Kansanga and has 6 children. The amount is 780,000. Next person we are having in Koni. This one stays in Nkoni with 2 children and the amount is 980,000. Next person is in Mulago and this person has also 2 and net amount is 850,000. This last person is 980,000 and has 1 child, stays in Tinga. So here we have finished entering this data. So we can save changes, we can auto-fit our table, auto-fit our table, something like that, auto-fit, save changes, close your table. Next on the instructions, they are telling us to create a form displaying all the fields and use it to fill the payee column at the rate of 10% of gross pay, name it payee form. So we click create form wizard, take all fields, next, we call it payee form. We can finish. This is our payee form. We can click view, design view. So in design view, we are going to click payee text box. We click property sheet. Property sheet comes with data, control source. Click the 3 dots. So to calculate pay, click here on the text box, go to property sheet, click data, control source, then follow these three dots to go to expression builder. Here in the expression builder, remove this pay. They have said pay is 10% of gross. So write 10 out of 100, start, then double click gross pay like this. Click OK, click view, form view. Here is our pay calculated. Go back to design view. They are telling us to insert your name and personal number in the footer. So here on our form, this is footer, form footer. Create some space, pick a label, draw it here, add your names. Cover Peter 507. Click, save changes, close your form. Next, create a query showing the following fields: ID number, first name, last name, gross pay, and add a new field NSSF, which is 5% of gross pay. Name it NSSF query. So let's create. We can use query wizard. Click OK. From our staff table, we are taking field ID number. We want first name. We also want last name. Then gross pay. Only this one.
John Lucas.
We click next. Next. We call it NSF query. You can modify the query in design view and finish. So here is our query in design view. Add a new field. So this new field here, we right click and go to build, or simply click builder app. They have told us that this one is 5% of gross. So 5 out of 100.
John Lucas Remix. Jimmy Lades Maranhão.
Double click gross. Click OK. Rename this EXPR1 to their NSF. Run the query. Here is our NSF calculated. Save changes. Close your query. Next, create a report for NSF query and name it NSF report. Create, you can click on NSF query, create report wizard, NSF here, take all fields, next, NSF report, finish. So here is our code, but I can see has ## here. We can adjust, close print preview. We can highlight this field, reduce it a bit, highlight this, bring it backward a bit, and reduce the field, highlight gross pay, expand it a bit. This one will accommodate it. NSSF can also work on that. Save changes, click view report view. Here we go. Next, add a suitable title to the report. So we go to view design view again. So we can say employees, NSSF report 2024. Here we are done. Our title is here. Save changes. Next, set the page to landscape orientation. So with this, we are going to go under page setup, landscape, save changes, close your report. So to print, they are saying print, save and print your work. So from here, we can go to staff records, click file, print, preview. So here the data is not finished, put it to landscape and print. Print, OK. After close, go to NSF query, click file, print, preview, then you click
John
on
Lucas
print.
Remix. Jimmy Lades Maranhão.
Pay form, click file, print, preview, This is our form. Click print. Okay. Next, report. Open your report. Click file, print, preview. Our report is in landscape. Click print. Okay. We are done. Close your database. So here we are done. The paper here is done. So next we are going to burn our work on CD. After burning, we submit. Burn this folder on the CD. So make sure you have a CD recordable or you have a CD rewritable. So put your CD in the drive. You should be able to see that there is a notification. So here when you start your CD, put here the title, for example, Agava Peter 0008. Or if your name is like Kapur Bernard 007, you find your personal number country. So write one name and your personal number, Peter 007. You have inserted the CD. Please don't choose this option. Don't choose USB. Please choose CD writable because you have inserted the CD. Then you click next. When you click next, you can make your screen smaller. So make sure your screen is not too big. So we can adjust this window so that we are able to see this. Then we drag and drop. I'm saying drag and drop. We need to avoid copy and paste. For example, if I right click copy, you may find that because I have some cyberphobia, I right click instead of pasting, I click on paste shortcut. That's too bad. So please, it's better you drag and drop. It is saying file ready to be written on the disk. So right click here and say burn to disk. When you click burn to disk, that is your name and personal number. Click next. So your CD will be burnt. Use a permanent marker to write your name and personal number. So write there your names, Agava Peter with a permanent marker and your personal number. After writing on your CD, put it in its jacket. And then after putting it in its jacket, you also put it with your hard copy, the one you printed. Make sure the two go hand in